am I out of breath? Kind of embarrassing, I'm gonna lie. Kind of nasty. I know you hoes love a good organizing video. Is this like never ending? Okay, this is so long overdue because I have been trying to clean my closet since like January 1st, and it is now like February like 10th it feels. I actually don't know what day it is. We need to clean my closet like right now. Honestly, kind of a slay makeup day. Honestly, my plan is basically to like clean out my entire closet, and then I'm just going to sell my clothes. A lot of people have been selling clothes on like their Instagrams, or they like create another account to sell them. Honestly, I want to do that. Now, it doesn't look like a lot. Maybe. But like, if I tilt this up, I have all those boxes I want to get rid of, and there's actually like a cubby like around here that has a bunch of crap too. So we are going to be cleaning out my closet. I think that first things first. Oh, also, if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get more content from me. We are going to quickly, honestly, I don't know what we're gonna do. I'm just like kind of scared because it looks so bad. I think my plan is going to be go through just like these clothes right now and put two piles, clothes I want to get rid of and clothes I want to keep. And then we're gonna go through all of the bins. And then I also have an entire dresser we need to also get rid of. So I know you hoes love a good organizing video, so that's why I thought, you know what, maybe I should film this and people might get excited about it, you know? Go ahead and go through my clothes. I'm probably gonna do a lot of time lapses. Right now, I'm gonna quickly just go through everything that's hung up, and we're gonna put it in two piles. Keep and get rid of.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl.
Okay, so far I went through all of my clothes just in my closet, like just in this section. Those are the clothes I want to keep. There's some down there as well. But what you guys can't see is that there are a ton of clothes on the floor. And it's a little embarrassing. So a lot of it is actually like at-home gym stuff, because when we were in quarantine, me and my boyfriend bought a lot of like gym stuff and we don't know where to put it. But there's like a spot right here that I'm gonna show you guys, and it's kind of like a little nook, a little corner. And I think that I can put my gym stuff there, and then if we want to use it, we can. It's like right there. But it won't be like in my space of all my shoes and all of my clothes. So that's kind of like the next step, is basically dealing with what's on the ground here. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's kind of disgusting. It's rough, so I'm gonna quickly just clean that out, and then we're gonna hit the bins up there, which I'm a little nervous about. What clothes I'm getting rid of is kind of looking a little full, so yay, I have lots of things to sell. But that's what we're gonna do next, is just clean the bottom there.
But if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I've got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because
I wish you could see the state of my floor because it looks absolutely insane, but I kind of wanted to put it on an angle so you guys could see up top here. I'm getting rid of all that, so let's do it. Work, bitch. So now that my closet is like pretty much emptied, like I have these clothes and the dresses. Other than that, like all the bottom here is empty. There's just a couple pairs of shoes on the floor, and that whole top part is empty. Why am I out of breath? Kind of embarrassing. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go through everything that's on this floor. Kind of disgusting, okay? I'm gonna put my bags in the corner here. Then honestly, we're just gonna go from there. A lot of my bathing suits I'm getting rid of because either they don't fit me. Honestly, that's it. They just don't fit me. So, yeah. Okay, so the closet is pretty much done. As you can see, there's tons of space now. Oh my god, like my floor is literally empty. And then everything looks just like cleaner. If you guys are wondering what I do with this shelf, usually I fold my sweaters and I put it there. Now for the rest of my clothes. I have a whole dresser behind us, and I'm gonna declutter that and show you guys what I do with that. Is this like never ending? Seriously? So let's do my dresser next. I'll show you guys literally what the floor is looking like because it's kind of rough. But I honestly did declutter a lot of it, so I'm just like super happy. But let's tackle the drawers next. So usually with my drawers, I have like my pajamas, underwear, socks, scrubs, pants, like all of that, my workout sets. My pajamas, I have so many random pieces of clothes that I just use for pajamas, but I just want to keep my like sets now. So I'm gonna throw old underwear that I don't need anymore. Obviously I'm not gonna, like, those are just going in the garbage. No donation, no selling, obviously. I'm just going to like declutter anything that doesn't fit me or anything I don't wear anymore. So yeah, let's tackle that. Okay, so this might be a little confusing because these are all the clothes that I'm keeping. This is like the laundry I did the other day, so these are all keeps, so don't worry about that. Let's get into the drawers. So in this drawer, I have bras and sports bras. And a lot of them either don't fit me or don't look good on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of all of them that look bad on me. Okay, so my bra drawer is basically done. I sometimes get rid of sports bras that just don't fit me anymore or like just don't look good on me anymore. Not necessarily they're bad or anything. Next, I'm going to do my underwear drawer. And in my underwear drawer, I keep like my socks, my underwear, all the little things. Obviously, I'm not going to show you that because the only people who want to see that are creepy people, and you're not welcome. I am going to quickly just do that, and then I'll show you guys like my pants drawer, my scrubs drawer, and then basically we're pretty much done. So let's do this. This is my pajama drawer slash sweatpants. Any pajamas that do not match, she's out of here.
Listen and relax. From here on, you don't have to say a word. So just let go and don't hold back. I've got you, welcome you into my world. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right.
It's been a few hours since we started, and I just kind of want to show you guys what we're working with. So like obviously you saw that this is all empty now, and I went through all of my drawers, which is awesome. So I do want to like organize these clothes. Those are my dresses, but as you can see, there's nothing down here other than my shoes, and then I put my bags and stuff right there. It just feels so good. So I just have to put away these clothes right here. These clothes were like my laundry and stuff. This was kind of like my little workout place. I want to like organize that so that looks a little bit better. And then we have this pile of shoes, purses, clothes that I have to donate as well. So very excited. Some I'm going to sell, some I'm going to donate, and I'm just really excited that I'm basically done. Okay, you guys, so we are finally finished my closet transformation. As you can see, it looks a lot better than it did before, at least in my eyes. And even in my drawers, they look so much better. I got rid of so much clothes that I can donate or sell, so I am so happy about that. This is kind of like a different video than I usually do. I love to do vlogs, but I needed to clean this damn closet, so I thought maybe you guys would enjoy it. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.